If something should happen to me, put on my suit. The reindeer will know what to do. That's a good cookie. Sustainable Holiday Helpline, how can I assist you? The holidays are full of waste. Finding ways to be sustainable can help everyone. You're throwing away your Christmas tree every year. I can help. A popular option is a living tree you can plant when the season's over. You can find trees and poinsettias that are intended to be planted after you use them for the holidays. Christmas lights, I sure can help. Have you tried color changing LEDs? You can use them all year round. I know, regular alkaline batteries can be so wasteful. Have you tried rechargeables? And yes, gifts that you can plug in with a rechargeable battery. This works for toys as well. Oh, gift wrapping help? Let me transfer you. I know gift wrapping is so wasteful. We try to convince people to not do it every year. I recommend just reusing and recirculating gift bags from last year. Fabric bags are another great choice. They can be part of the gift and used all year round. Yes, a wreath. Choose a neutral one that you can redecorate all year round. Simply swap out bows, ribbons, and other decor. You're so right. Holiday decor can be so expensive. Thrifting is a perfect way to get affordable decor, festive outfits, and even an artificial tree. This call may be recorded for quality assurance. That's right, we get gifts all year round, so why not focus on memberships and experiences instead of presents this year? You know what they say, memories last forever. Yeah, sending holiday cards has a big eco footprint. Have you tried a digital option? You wouldn't believe the huge box of greeting cards I have from Christmas past. I'll take a digital one this year. All right, thank you for your time. The bill will be in the mail. Yes. It's about $300 for a call to the holiday helpline. Appreciate it, thank you. This is a big problem. Whew. Hot. Whew. Headed out for the holidays, traveling with gifts can be a little tricky. Good thing I'm an expert. If you can, go ahead and ship those gifts ahead of time. Those gifts purchased online, send them directly to your destination or a convenient Amazon locker. You can save on luggage space, avoid TSA delays, and prevent crushed packages. Just remember, allow a few extra days for delivery. Major delivery services will have posted deadlines for the holidays. If you have to travel with gifts, you might want to hold off on wrapping until you arrive. Airport security may need to inspect them, and there's nothing worse than having to rewrap once you get there. Protect those gifts in hard-sided luggage. Fill those gaps with clothing and additional padding. Make sure you're under the weight limit before you head to the airport. Securely pack any ribbons and bows, put those on last at your destination. With a little preparation, your gifts and your holiday spirit will arrive in perfect shape. Santa down! Santa down! Oopsie daisy, here we go. Here's how to make sure your blow-ups don't blow away. These inflatables do come with stakes, but trust me, you don't want to use these. Ah, jingle bells! These bend way too easily. Make sure that's nice and tight. Oh, holy night. Feel like Clark Griswold out here. Hey, stop looking at me like that. These are junk. And the plastic ones are even worse. This is the one time you want your steaks to be well done. It's a one-time purchase that can save you years of stress. And I guarantee these will outlive every inflatable. Not bending, not breaking, not blowing away. Die Hard is a Christmas movie, and these are Bruce Willis. Unbreakable. Especially in hard soil, these are a game changer. Remember, not straight down, you'll want about a 60-degree angle. Skip the plastic, skip the bends, and get yourself something sturdy. Now that's solid. Just because they came in the box doesn't mean you need to keep them. If you live somewhere with soft soil or high winds, you can find versions that screw into the ground for more stability. And remember, you can use these all year round for tents, pop-ups, camping, backyard activities. So much easier to nail into the ground, too. Solve it once, solve it forever.
These look like those little blades that you throw.
He's a ninja and he's flinging them. Now you can save some money because store-bought ugly sweaters are super expensive.
Would you wear it?
For an ugly sweater party, for a festive Christmas party?
Yes.
Sorry, for a festive Christmas party, I would wear this.
You'd rock it.
For just a few dollars, you can pick up so many craft supplies. Snap my gumdrop buttons. Ooh. Check your Christmas supplies and lay everything out before. Ribbons, tinsel, all the fun stuff. And save a ton getting a thrifted sweater.
These are the gingerbread, this is who he's thinking about. Peppermint sticks.
From level 6 of the Candy Cane Forest. Hot glue, no sewing required.
I'm on it.
Since it is fabric, you want plenty on there. Be sure everything's lightweight, nothing too heavy.
Boom.
Now be careful, hot glue is hotter than Steve's lava chicken. Don't know what that means, but the kids will love it.
No idea.
For my design, I like to use something large as the centerpiece.
This is coming along nicely.
See, with a friend, it becomes a whole holiday activity.
I think I just found a new tradition. Let's bow tie this guy. He's already...
Dapper. A little bit of humor and creativity can go a long way. I like the smirk. He's like,
He's all, what just happened here?
Really?
Got a few finger waves in there.
The glam. This is more of a craft than clothing, so you'll want to keep this out of the laundry. I bet you no matter what you make, it'll be better than what you can find at the store. Plus, it'll be totally unique.
Haute couture.
It is couture.
It's couture.
Haute, maybe not. That way you'll avoid the awkward situation of wearing the same ugly sweater as someone else. The same joke isn't funny twice, Jim.
What a good day. Making cookies, building a gingerbread house, spending time with friends.
Stockings all hung by the chimney with care. But what do you put inside of them? One thing my family loves to do is give scratchers as stocking stuffers. But due to the laws and regulations, these aren't for everyone, especially underage. But there are alternatives for fun and surprises for everyone. You can find safe scratchers which you can customize and include as a fun activity. But there's an easy way you can DIY your own scratchers. You just need paper or cardstock. I'm just using some unused greeting cards. This is a great project to use up scraps like old wrapping paper. First, you'll make a list of different options of things you can win, but don't make everyone a winner. Then cover with clear plastic tape. You'll also need some acrylic paint. I find this works well just with the paint, but some DIY options use a little bit of soap in the mix. Now cover in a thin layer of paint. Trying to get it to the edges here. I made mine kind of big. You can make yours any size, any shape. That paint should dry pretty quickly if you did a thin layer. I'm cutting this out, but of course you can do this directly on your scratcher. I love a crafty Christmas. If you're doing a bunch, I recommend making them pretty small. Take your time and make them as crafty and creative as you want. And don't forget your lucky scratching coin. And just like that, you can make your own scratcher. Am I a winner? Am I a winner? I won my $5 back. It doesn't always have to be money. Choose fun options for your family, like get out of a chore or extra screen time. I'll have to see if I'm a winner, but with family safe scratchers, everyone wins. You did a great job wrapping, but we're not done yet. If you don't know what ribbon to match with your paper, just go with complementary colors and patterns. This buffalo print goes great with this black, white, and green paper. Silver looks great against this blue, and in this case, all that glitters is gold. A good way to get enough ribbon to start is wrap the ribbon around your box 3 times, plus a little extra. There's the traditional way to put ribbon on a package, but I like this simple twist and offset cross. Start where you want the top of the cross to be, flip that box around, cross that ribbon offset, and I like to spin those pieces of ribbon till they're tight. Now I fold one part under, and the other one under the other direction. Now you can tie your bow. Move your ribbon around so everything's in place. You can make a big bow or a little bow and cut the ribbon to match. Tying ribbon in this diagonal pattern is so easy and it looks great. Wrap it around the top corner, bring it around that bottom corner, back up around. Loop that ribbon underneath and make your bow. Ooh, and I want a long ribbon with this, so let's cut at an angle. Look how cute that is. Using ribbon to make this top center bow, I think is a showstopper, and it's pretty simple. We need the center of our ribbon. Lay your ribbon down, make sure it's flat. Lay your gift on top. Pull that ribbon till it's tight. And you want to spread the ribbon apart. Keep adjusting it till it's nice and tight. If you're using thicker ribbon, take your time when making your bow. Just like tying shoes, right? And just finesse that ribbon until it looks picture perfect. If you need help keeping ribbon in place, just use a little double-sided tape. And don't shy away from wider ribbon, it just may take a little extra time to finesse. A few simple techniques makes gift giving that much more special. Christmas is over and now I have this tangled mess. Need to organize and store your lights? I'm sure you have some cardboard left over. And no, I don't mean just packing it in there. I've got a bright idea. Start with a strip of cardboard. Great Christmas gift. You can also use scissors. Just cut a small notch. That's just to hold the cord in place. Now we get to wrap. Just like the gifts. The wrapping never ends here. This prevents tangles and broken lights. Simple, cost-effective, and you already have everything you need at home. Oh, almost to the end. That was shorter than I thought. Just like that, we're wrapped, organized, and ready for next year. Another notch to hold the other end of the cord. Having a little extra space is nice, you can cut off any extra. I'm a big fan of labels, so make sure to indicate whether it's for your tree, your mantle, or outside. Makes it easy to test and check for those burnt bulbs. I like to pack lights back in their original box, but that's not always possible. I like to pack them in a zip-top bag for extra protection and a little bit of moisture proofing. I'm not ready for the season to be over. You know what they say, people start decorating earlier and earlier every year. Brilliant tip, great day. See you tomorrow.